Is a low APR always better? Simple examples explained. If you watched the previous video on APR, you'll know that APR shows the total yearly cost of borrowing. But here's a common question people ask next. The question, is a lower APR always the better option? The short answer is, not always. Let's look at why. Example 1, low APR, high fees. Imagine two loans, Loan A, lower APR, high upfront fees. Loan B, slightly higher APR, very low or no fees. At first glance, Loan A looks better. Why APR can be misleading? APR spreads costs over a year, so if you borrow for a short time, or pay the loan off early, those upfront fees can make the loan more expensive overall, even with a lower APR. Example 2, short-term borrowing. If you only borrow money for a few months, the interest doesn't have much time to build, but fees are charged immediately. In this case, a slightly higher APR, with lower fees can cost less. When a low APR does matter more, a low APR usually matters most when you borrow for a long time. You make minimum payments. There are few added fees. This is common with credit cards, long-term loans. The real takeaway, APR is a useful guide, but it's not the only thing to look at. Always consider fees, how long you'll borrow, how quickly you'll repay. To summarize, is a low APR always better? Not always. It depends on how you use the borrowing. Understanding the details saves money. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting or helpful, please tap the thumbs up, it really helps. And if you'd like more simple, easy to understand videos like this, subscribe for more.